Hello everyone, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I'm making delicious chocolate cheesecake. I already have on my channel cheesecake, but there is no baked cheesecake and with berries. This one is chocolate and it's gonna be amazing. So we start with the base. I sprayed the bottom of my form and I put parchment paper on the bottom. I'm using my graham cookies, crumbs, but it's a chocolate cheesecake, so I need to add some cacao, a couple of tablespoons. And I melted butter in the microwave, and I'm adding melted butter in there and mixing it together all very well. You can use Oreo cookies or any cookies. So my cookies are mixed really well with butter and cacao, so I put it on the bottom of my form. And using this measuring cup, I'm gonna press it on the bottom. My cookies on the bottom of my form, and now it's going to chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes. While it is going to be chilling, we're going to make a cheesecake. So for the cheesecake, everything has to be room temperature. It's very important. So I put in my mixer cream cheese and slowly I start mixing it. While it's mixing, I'm gonna add gradually all the ingredients. Sour cream, sugar, and cacao. Let it mix together so it's like one same consistency. One by one, I'm gonna add my eggs. Now last but not least, dark chocolate. It's already, you can feel how amazing this cheesecake is gonna be. So much chocolate. So I melted my chocolate on a water bath and now I'm gonna add it into our mixture. At the end, I'm adding just a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, it's all ready, and now I'm gonna scrape everything from the bottom and sides of the bowl and mix it one more time really well. So everything has to be the same consistency. So I took a whisk and I whisked it for a few minutes. So I like the consistency better. It's fluffier and lighter, and our cheesecake is gonna be amazing. My oven right now preheating for 329 Fahrenheit. So what I'm gonna do, I pour some hot water into my pan and I'm gonna put it on the bottom of my oven. So that way we are gonna have like a water bath in our oven. So this water bath is much better for cheesecake. Alright, and now we're gonna pour our beautiful cheesecake, almost a cheesecake. I'm pouring my mass into our prepared mold. And also I'm gonna check how good it is because this is supposed to be non-stick. Always worked. We'll see how it's gonna work with my cheesecake. I like it because it's quite tall. Going to the oven, preheated oven, for about 55-60 minutes. So, as you know, cheesecake, it's supposed to be like at the end, it's supposed to be firm, but in the middle, it's gonna be jiggly. Careful, don't let it be in the oven too long, otherwise it's gonna be too dry and it's not gonna taste good. So after 50 minutes, maybe 45-50 minutes, see how it goes, and then turn your oven off when you feel it's ready, and let it stay in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Then take it off and let it cool down completely in room temperature in the form, and then don't take it off, put it in the fridge. So I put my cheesecake overnight. It's the best. For a few hours, if you don't have time, is okay, but the longer it stays in the fridge, the better. So right now I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so my cheesecake spent night in the fridge, and now it cracked just a little bit. It's okay. We're gonna decorate it anyway, and now we're gonna reveal it. Gonna take it out of the form. Okay, it's free, it looks good, it smells amazing, smells like lots of chocolate. So, I'm gonna decorate my cheesecake with caramel, my homemade caramel. Oh, it smells so good. Basically, our cheesecake is done, it's ready, it smells amazing, and I'm sure it tastes good. I'm making it for order for my best dance teacher ever in the world. So chocolate and caramel, what can be better? So this recipe you have to try. So Easter is coming this weekend. So I'm going to decorate this cheesecake for Easter, and you decorate it as much as you wish, or just leave it at that, because I think it just looks fabulous. Well, I'm ready. And cheesecake is ready, and actually I'm gonna make it again soon because I want to try it myself. Please comment. I would like to have some feedback from you guys. I would like to know that you're watching, and please like this video, subscribe, visit me on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video.